Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp chat on your PC with WhatsApp Desktop. First, open WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows computer. On the left side, you'll see your list of conversations. Select any chat that you want to open. The conversation will now appear on the right side of the screen. To send a message, click inside the message box at the bottom and type your text. When you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. You can continue the conversation by typing additional messages in the same message box. WhatsApp Desktop also lets you use emojis in your chats. To add an emoji, click the emoji icon next to the message box and select the emoji you want. You can also share different types of content using the plus or attachment icon. From there, you may find options for photos, videos, documents, and other files. If you want to find a specific conversation or message, use the search option. Simply enter the name of a contact or a keyword, and WhatsApp can help you find the relevant conversation. You can also switch between conversations easily. Just select another chat from the left side, and the new conversation will open on the right. This makes WhatsApp Desktop convenient for chatting while you're working on your computer. You can use your keyboard to type messages quickly and manage your conversations from one screen. The basic chat features are simple to use, even if you're new to WhatsApp Desktop. So the main steps are: open a chat, type your message, press Enter to send it, and use the available icons when you want to add emojis or attachments. And that's how you can use WhatsApp chat on PC in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.